Hello viewers, in this video I'll be going over silver futures. Today we are up 1.3% and on the 1 hour chart we made a nice reversal compared to where we were yesterday, and we're touching the overbought level on the RSI and we made it positive on the MACD. On the 4 hour chart we start to see a convergence on the MACD and we may have a possibility of turning to positive MACD. And if this trend were to hold up, I would see the 9 moving average converge onto the 18 moving average, the purple line. So that is to be expected, so let's see. And as for the daily chart, if we do manage to close larger than yesterday's loss, that's ideal for this uptrend still intact. But first, we still have about 2 hours left in trading. So if this candlestick does remain much larger than yesterday's candlestick, that's a positive side for the bulls. And right now, or during yesterday, we managed to see a divergence on the MACD. So let's see for support. I do see a possibility we may break down, and the support that I see is at the price of $16.50. Reason why, we have a price concentration right here, and if we were to move on higher, that price movement is a multi-year high. So I do see several resistance that dated around the price of $17.30, and these peaks or resistance dated back to November 2017 to, I would say, April 2018 and June 2018. So we have multiple year highs for it and we are near it. So let's head to the forecast model. On here I'll go day by day, where silver will head to the next coming days. So we have 1 day out, 2 days out, 3 days out, 4 days out, 5 days out, 6 days out, and 7 days out. So which one of these forecasts we should focus on? Well, the model that closely relates to the current trend right here. This is the current trend, and the trend that I believe is the best match to the current trend is July 19, 2010 to September 27, 2010. So I believe this trend is the best match. Reason why? Let's prove it. So what we have on here, in the beginning of the trend, we remain above the middle Bollinger Band. So that is a bit too big, so let's just move it. So we have one there and a slight dip below the middle Bollinger Band right there. And then we proceeded to move on higher towards the end right here. We remain above the middle Bollinger Band, and we have that instance right here as well. We see we start off slightly above the middle Bollinger Band right there, and let's try and move it. And then next we see a slight dip below the middle Bollinger Band. Next we see an uptrend all the way towards the end of the trend or pattern. So what we have is 1, 2, 3 points, 1, 2, 3 points as well. So there is reason to believe if the trends and patterns are the same, the outcome and forecast should be fairly the same. So back then, silver back in July 19th, 2010 to September 27, 2010, silver was up around 5.6%. So we may see a possibility silver may head on higher in the next coming days. So that is it. If you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.